thunderstorm warning for western Overton County in Middle Tennessee, Smith County in Middle Tennessee, DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Clay County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, east central Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern White County in Middle Tennessee, Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 a.m. CST. At 7:58 a.m. CST, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Red Boiling Springs to 8 miles southwest of Smithville, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cookeville, Sparta, Smithville, Lafayette, Woodbury, Carthage, Celina, Gainsboro, Algood, Baxter, Gordonsville, Red Boiling Springs, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Dowelltown, Liberty, Auburntown, Hamptons Crossroads, and Moss. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.